How can you tell? Because in some cultures, if something calls your name and isn't in the room with you, you're not supposed to answer it. So if you're laying in bed and something says your name and then tells you to pray, I mean, there's nothing wrong with praying. I mean, it's a good reminder, but just out of curiosity, what do you do with that? Like that, in some cultures, you're not supposed to answer names, to your name if somebody's not in the room with you. The other question that I have is that when we are praying to be like Jesus, to have a mind of Jesus, of Christ, and to be less like ourselves, to be more like Jesus, doesn't this contradict the reason of the original sin of eating from the tree and learning that you can be like God, and that causes sin because then you think that you're God? Okay, so the contradiction is, do you want to be more like Jesus Christ, God? Or is that wrong to want to be like God? And you should just show up as yourself. I'm just trying to, and then moreover, more often than not, I get the inkling that Jesus is accepting us as we are, so that we can change in the first place. God bless you, Jesus. Please help us to accept what we cannot change, and to change the things that we can. Have courage to change the things that we can. Thank you, God, for everything, for our lives in this day, and for these wonderful questions. I do not... I'm sure I have some more. I can't recall any. Whoever's listening to this, God bless you and your beloveds. Remember, worry into wonder. Give it to God. God is in control. Basically, all we have to do is be aware that we're agreeing to that, and then it all kind of goes from there.